Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Ahmed Abdul Salam. In this video, I'm gonna show you a quick demo of this project. So, in a nutshell, this project is about configuring GitHub Actions workflow to be triggered once there's a new commit or new push to this repo here, which is forked from WordPress. Okay. So this is the first part of this project. The second part is to have an ArgoCD operator that would um, synchronize the running infrastructure with the configurations hosted here in this repository. Okay, this is the project in a nutshell, and now I'm gonna take every part and explain it in much more details. So this is the first one, which is GitHub Actions workflow. This is okay. This is the last run. I updated the README file. Okay. Okay. So as you see here, the first job is to build the application based of this Docker file here, and then authenticate to DockerHub and push the new image with the new tag. So as you notice here, the commit hash is being added at the new tag. Okay, so this is it. And the second job is to update Helm values. I'm gonna show you that later, but for now, so I'm updating this file here with the new image tag. And since we are using a private registry for um, hosting the Kubernetes configurations, I need first to authenticate to this repo, and I'm using a path token to do that. And the last one is to do the same, but for customized application. This is it, and this is the Docker file. It's a very basic one. We are copying the content of this project to the registry and on the server. And the last thing I want to show you here is the secrets. Since I'm authenticating to both DockerHub and GitHub, we should provide these secrets. Okay, let's go back to this one to show you. So this is the last commit 5e. Just okay. So the last commit is it starts with 5e. If we have a look here, let me just refresh this one. Yeah, the last commit is like 40 an hour ago, which is this one here have 5e. Okay, and it is the same here 5e. Okay, let's go to the second part, which is the configuration themselves. So the main branch here hosts the Helm configuration, and we have Docker and we have Kubernetes manifests here in this templates folder. Let's have a look at this one. We have some values that are being abstracted and passed through Helm. Okay, this is the syntax, and we have values to YAML here for Helm. These are the parameters which are passed to Kubernetes, okay, in YAML format. This is these are all okay. One thing to mention here: this is not the best way to pass the credentials. Okay, so we can use config map, or for basic setup, we can have more complex and more secure solutions such as Vault or even AWS Secret Manager. Uh, and we also have a different uh, branch for customized application. We have base folder. The base folder hosts the Kubernetes manifest without any changes. We don't abstract anything here. These are the manifests that I'm gonna use to run this application without any operator and without uh, customize or without Helm. And we have after that we can add some customizations and batches to these configuration or to these manifest to tweak it the way we want. So here in the customization, I'm using a different namespace. I'm adding some labels. I'm also adding some batches. The batch here, I'm using a different port for this service. I'm using 86 here, and instead of 81 here in the basic one. Okay, so these are the configuration. Let's go into ArgoCD itself. We have two applications, Helm, one for Helm and one for customize, especially for production environment. Let's have this one here. Um, let's simulate we have a change by deleting this pod. And as you see, the last one is pruned and a new one is created. If we have a look, rollback, we have this is the current one and this is the previous one. I'm not yeah, this is it. Okay, so once there's a change to this commit, okay, let's synchronize. Actually, as you see, no changes. It pulls the changes from this repo. Okay, so this is customized and we should let's do the same for Helm. Let's delete this one, for example. Yeah, and as you see, this is synchronized. Okay, one thing to mention before the end of this video. Um, okay, I'm adding some instructions or most of the instructions to help you to set up this application in case you want to replicate it. Um, and the second thing is that I'm also adding most of the commands I've used across the project here in this file. Okay, and after this video, I'm gonna turn this repo to be public instead of private. This is it. Yeah, thank you.